Generally, when you finish your work in the round, after your last stitch of the round, you slip stitch into the first stitch like that. But if you look at your edge, you'll find a little staggering. You'll know where that slip stitch has gone. So a better option is to take it out, pull the whole yarn tail out, thread it through a yarn needle, and go under your first stitch and in to your last stitch. So you made a fake stitch that just imitates the other stitches you've made in the round, and you can then go ahead and weave in that tail. You can repeat the same steps to finish the brim of your hats, so it gives a more uniform edge. You cannot even tell where the slip stitch is, can you?